In today's video, selfie sticks. You bought yourself a great camera or smartphone and you want a selfie stick? This is a video for you. We have Tech Pro and Ulanzi, and I also have Xiaomi and the regular selfie stick, like $5 selfie stick. Okay, let's start with Ulanzi. What's the way? That's important. Way of this device. Way. Come on. 256. That's a bit heavy. Anyway. You hear a little bit of noise. Let me extend it fully. Is it fully extended? Yes, it is. Fully extended. Selfie stick will have 80 centimeters. 80. And we also have a bracket for a smartphone, which is really cool. Okay, let me put that bracket down. We hear a little bit of noise. It's not great at all. Let me connect a mount, a different mount. Let's say it's a camera. It doesn't matter. Can we hear any noise? Just a tiny bit, a little. Not really. So it's great with the camera. But when you use a smartphone, that mount is not occupied at all. So that's a red flag. We do have very nice lock mechanism. And the end itself is very wide, so you can connect a bigger camera. But I wouldn't go with the bigger. I mean, the whole thing. Okay, it's not. I don't know. Anyway, at the end, we do have a lock mechanism to prevent accidental slide. It is at least the very end itself. But when you squeeze an end, that's not great because it's hollow inside. So you'll be better off just put one, so 10 centimeters less, lock it, and then you will have something inside to prevent that accidental. It's still squeezing like that. So the handle, I mean, it also has a rubber at the end, so it will prevent sliding. Is it stable? I won't go with a huge camera, like smartphone or like GoPro or Insta or something like that. Well, yeah, it's okay. All right. Now let's continue with the other one. It's called, what's it called? Tech Protect LO7S Bluetooth selfie stick. It has a remote, which is 2 buttons. Anyone using remotes like that? Maybe. It's tight, very tight, so that's a plus. The ends are bendable. Legs. What's the way? And the way is... Okay, that's not correct. Let me do like that. 333. That's even more heavier than the Ulanzi. Okay, how long it is? Whew, that's not long at all. 54 centimeters. Any noise? A little bit. But when you connect something... Okay, I've tied it up and there is no noise. That's a plus. It also has a smartphone mount in a box, which is really cool and very good quality. I will buy this one just for that mount, which is super. You can use it with a different selfie stick. That mount is brilliant. I wonder, are they selling those mounts separately? That's really cool. Very good quality. Anyway, let's go back to this device. I can see the weak point with those legs. Okay, you can unscrew them. That's a big plus. See, that's a huge plus. But, see that end? The hinge? The hinge is plastic. And I think that's a huge weak point. It's a brand new selfie stick and there's like... It's very loose. All of them are very loose. And I think when you bend those legs, you have to hold it at the top. Because if you put too much tension to that hinge, it will break. It's just plastic. I wouldn't trust it with something expensive. I wouldn't trust it at all. So for me, it's no go. No, it's no. I also have a Xiaomi stick, which is great. You see? Same price, but only for smartphones, unfortunately. Very stable. And nothing is bending in here. It has a remote, but I lost it somewhere. It also has a little bit of sound, but a very good design, and I would rather use this one than any of those the bigger ones. This Xiaomi is really cool, and the regular $5 selfie stick, which is much longer. It's a meter. It also has a remote. You see, I would rather use this one than one of those. Way less breaking points. I mean, you could break at the very end in here, but yeah, it's $5. This is like 20 times more expensive. Or 15 times, something like that. And I think that's all I have. Ulanzi and tech something. None of them are great. None of those selfie sticks are great. If you want a proper selfie stick and a tripod at the same time, go with the GoPro. Original GoPro, selfie and tripod. It's really good. But it's like twice more expensive than those. Even 3 times more expensive. It all depends on your country, I guess. So there you go. This is a selfie stick experience.